What's up everybody, this is Scott with Team 512 and I'm back with another video. Today we're going to be doing an old school unboxing of my MGW shifter here that arrived yesterday. So I can show you guys exactly what comes in the box when you order one. And there's a lot of cool stuff right inside here. So let's get started. All right, you guys, so after installing the MGW shifter in horsepower obsessed ZR1, I just knew I had to have one for the Grand Sport. So I went ahead and ordered the shifter about a week ago and it arrived yesterday. And I'm excited to see what's in the box. Now, when we installed HPO's shifter, I remember it coming with a lot of pieces and parts and really nice, clean, machined parts and all the assembly tools that you'll need to get this shifter inside. So let's have a look. All right, so this is how it comes from MGW. So we've got the lower box and kit right here. We have, looks like the shifter is wrapped nicely in bubble wrap. We have some tools, hardware, and some mounting bolts. More paper, an invoice, and of course we have this lower box kit. So let's open this one up first, see what's inside. All right, opening up the lower box and kit. Let's see what we have here first. All right, we're gonna take everything out of the packaging too so we can show you exactly what's in here. But let's just get everything out of this box first. All right, and we'll get the box out of the way. All right, so first we've got some Dynomat. Then we've got some insulation here, pre-cut. We have the lower box, which we'll save real quick. We'll look at the Vibratite. This looks like blue thread locker here. I don't know if you can see that. There you go, you get a little tube of blue thread locker. We'll open this part up here. Looks like there's some hardware in here as well as some instructions. These things are tough to get open sometimes. There we go. All right, so this looks like the alignment tool. And we've got an Allen key and a couple of bolts here. So I think this all goes together for the alignment tool, which you'll see in the install. And then of course we have some instructions here for the alignment tool. We'll put those aside. Then we'll take a look at the lower box, wrapped up nice in this padded envelope. And there you go, guys. This is the lower box, and this thing is like a work of art itself. I mean, I almost want to just put this on my desk at work or something. It's nicely machined piece of aluminum. Very cool. It's a shame you have to hide this underneath the car because the center console, because you know, when you've got something that looks like this, sometimes you just want to show it off. I don't know. My wife thinks I'm crazy, but I bet your wives think you're crazy too. But let's take a look at what's in this bag here. We have obviously the shift lever there, and this will accommodate the stock shift knob, which is great because I love the stock shift knob. I think it's gonna look great in the car. We have this this isolator here, gasket. Gasket. We have a large Allen wrench. We have a sticker, which is always cool. And we have some mounting bolts and another Allen key. So this is really a complete kit, you guys. I mean, everything you need to install this shifter is pretty much in the box, other than some of the hand tools that are required to remove the center console to get to the shifter. Now, for the shifter itself, let's take a look at this. Here, we'll get the knife back out, cut this tape, and it's time to see the shifter. Dun, 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 dun. There it is, you guys, the MGW Shifter, made in the USA. Now this shifter will work with the C5, the C6, and the C7, and it comes with this greased, the ball already greased here with this lube and this little baggie on here so you don't get it all over the place. So that's nice, but man, this thing is cool. This feels just as good as the lower box feels, and together, yeah, they make quite a combo. I love that sound. All right, you guys, so super quick video. I just wanted to do the unboxing so I could show you all of the goodies that come with the MGW Shifter. In case you want to order one for your Corvette, you'll know exactly what comes in the box. Now, I cannot wait to get this thing into the C7. It is a beautiful day out today, so I'm torn. Do I drive the car or do I pull it into the garage here and get the shifter installed? Decisions. Anyway, guys, I hope you are all staying healthy and safe out there. Thanks so much for tuning in. There's so much great automotive content on YouTube, so anytime you spend on my channel is greatly appreciated. If you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button down there, smash the like button, and leave me some comments, because you guys know I love interacting with people who love cars and Corvettes just as much as I do. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in this video or any of my other videos, you guys know you can always email me, team512garage@gmail.com. Till next time, see ya.